Damn, look at this clean M3. This is your car, bro?
Si, senor. We're gonna make some Ricky Garage homemade quick release. We're gonna drill right here, and we're gonna drill somewhere over here. And
so you're gonna drill the fender and the bumper?
Yes, sir.
How you gonna do that, bro?
I don't know. You're the master mechanic here. Yeah.
All right, so we already got this side done. Now we're gonna do this side. Go ahead, Alex. Just make sure we don't go to the fender. To the bumper. Right here, yeah. But hold on. Yeah, right there. There it is. How you feel about that, fool?
I'm dying inside, bro. It's like I lost a piece of my soul right now, man.
Alright guys, so these are the custom made quick release that we're gonna use on Alex's M3. Here you go, fool, put them on.
Well, be excited.
Put them on, cut. Is it going in?
Barely.
You gonna fuck up your bumper, cut?
It's already fucked up.
Right there, now do the bottom one, the bumper. Everyone's gonna be like, hey bro, where you get your quick release from?
It's garage.
Hell yeah.
Where are you? I'm going. No,
Con huevos, Holmes.
fuck, that hurts. Damn, Ricky with the sticky hands.
For reals, but it hurts. Alex?
Hello. Hey, what'd I do with the other one?
I don't think we're gonna need the bolts.
Just for safety, huh?
It's not gonna go anywhere, bruh. I mean, hold on. Here you go.
Ricky.
Get the verga, record right here, fool. So you ready? Ready, Alex?
Ready, Eddie, Freddy, spaghetti.
Watch this, bro. Watch this.
Ricky, the master mechanic, bro. This boy know it all.
Right there, bruh.
What y'all think about that, huh? Although we are gonna cut these, so it's gonna get on his foot.
Nah, just leave him. Leave him.
On to the next.
Little eyebrows, little eyelashes. So, you like it, Alex, or not?
Yeah.
Hey, this is not going anywhere, bro.
That's right.
You don't need the bolts, bro. Real, that shit works, huh?
It really does.
Told you, way.
I feel like we do need to go slow.
Alex with the custom splitter.
By Ricky himself.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
Go. Go, cuz. Better, huh? Oops.
It's still bad from the fender, or the hood, or the bumpers. Let's see.
Yeah, bro. Looks good. You gonna take that off or not? You should leave it on. A tail hook.
It's all okay.
Damn, bro, this thing looks sick.
Never give up, boys. Stay in school.
So we're going to the wash or what?
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Going to wash this beast right here.
Is it fast or not?
I just got gapped by a truck. Only from a roll from a dig I won because, you know.
Let's go to the wash, bro. I need to wash my car. Alright, Alex is gonna give us a little cold start. I think he's got an exhaust too. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah. I don't know what kind of. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys my a little project car that I picked up a few months ago. I wanted to make a different video for this, but I decided to show you guys just the interior. The next video I'll show you guys the exterior, but I want you guys to guess what kind of car it is. And I already took the seats off, as you can see, and it is manual, so got lots of plans for this car. So yeah, there's my friend Alex, the M3. Is he gonna do a pull for us? Damn, that thing looks sick.